Can you guess which skill is possibly the most overlooked by most beginners, but is crucial to becoming a confident sea kayaker? Do you wish you felt more stable, especially in waves? Ever wondered how experts make kayaking look so effortless? The secret is simpler than you think. Did you know that a simple change in your blade awareness can dramatically improve your skills?
I'm Paulo, and this is Dancing with the Sea. It's for those of us who want more ease and finesse and less feeling like it's hard and I don't feel safe. The kayak is not a tool to help you conquer, it's to show us that we belong to nature.
But what exactly is blade awareness? Simply put, it's knowing where your paddle blade is without having to look at it. You want this to be as natural as knowing where your hand is. If you don't develop this blade awareness, your brace will not be effective and you'll capsize a lot more. Or if you struggle to roll, this is one of the key skills that will make your roll reliable. This is a roll with too much angle, and this is rolling with a diving blade. The good news is that blade awareness is easy to develop with a bit of practice. Here's the first exercise you can do. Moving your kayak sideways with a sculling motion. Remember, use your whole body to power the movement, not just your arms. This is using your whole body. Notice the rotation towards the paddle side is what keeps your shoulders in a strong position. What you're looking for is calm water as you move the paddle. This is too much angle, you can hear it. It's wasting a lot of energy and it's less effective. Not to mention, it's disturbing the wildlife. As this gets easier, try it with your eyes closed to make it more challenging. The second exercise you can practice is culling for support. Again, it's a full body movement, not an arm exercise. If you want to learn to move well with your whole body to make kayaking a lot easier, I made a free checklist that you can download. You will find the link in the description below. Most people use too much angle when they're sculling. It looks like this. A lot of water moving. I know it seems like more angle is more likely to keep you up, but actually you'll find that there's an optimal angle that gives you a lot more support. And it's a lot less angle than most people think. Play with it, push down on the paddle to see when it gives you the most support. What you're looking for, again, is quiet and effortless. The more water you move, the more energy you're wasting, and the less support you get. Once you have blade awareness, you feel confident and relaxed on the water. You'll experience improved control, better maneuverability, and more efficient strokes. Your rolling and side sculling will be a lot easier and actually work, even when the waves are trying to push your head on the water. Download the free checklist to start moving with your kayak with confidence. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video valuable, please share it with your friends.